back to nature. Aye, that's why I don't like Babylon, you know. Yes, man, cause Babylon they call them disease, you know. Yeah, I can't go my eye, man, river play walk one.
Yeah, I like I want to shook off some water.
I can swim.
Yes, I.
Alright, I. Not so far, everybody, I. Yes, I care about nature, everybody, I grand desire.
I carry no I know along the I walk I.
Rasta. Nobody with the food, Rasta.
I talk, oh man.
Rasta be firm in the Gideon.
Oh man, I walk long no I.
I just right in the left corner, that's my so reach.
Alright, I.
Yo! Rastafari! Go down, room, go down! Burn them, trample them and paralyze them. Yo!
A few moments later.
Babylon boy, me and the eye, the upper eye man yard, I cook some ital bread.
What?
And the eye don't eat. So the eye say, "Moi, will the ital wash off." So me carry the eye down the eye man river. And as the eye reach Rasta, the eye chuck off, splash. And the eye knows that him can't swim. And the eye catching a difficulty Rasta and a drown. And I and I man sit down right there so. And the eye no call I. The first time the eye dip and come, the eye said, "Jesus!" And the eye dip again and come up and say, "Lord, help me." And the eye and I sit down right there so. And up to now the eye no say, "Joe!" And some other guy, a guy I call, like say, and him and the eye them come a river. And him and the eye. So the eye no rate Rasta. So all I there I wonder, oh, me no see Jesus come save him, Rasta. So Babylon boy, I know me if you a question. You need to fight Jesus and ask him say, how you not gonna save the man? I never saw the eye as the eye.
Y'all make me all say I too, you know.
So guess what go on? So guess what go on to Babylon? Guess what go on to Babylon? Guess what go on to?
What go on now?
Have yourself a good day and bye.
Alright. Let's get you.
Thank you guys for watching. You see if you ever and you never smash that subscribe button before, you better smash it and touch the bell.
You're sick.
And like and share. Post notification.